everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making the best classic Italian red sauce pasta, which is made with very simple ingredients but is super delicious and flavorful just because of the way it's prepared. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get into it. Recipes like this have just a few ingredients and I would say you should use the best ingredients you can. For this recipe, you should use super red tomatoes, and for olive oil, you should use extra virgin olive oil. So first I'll make the tomato puree. For that, I'll blanch our tomatoes. I'll start by making a cross on the top, just on the surface, not deep. I let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes or until the skin cracks. In the meantime, I'll chop the onion and the garlic. My tomatoes are all blanched, so I'm draining the water. And now I'll pour some cold water on top. Now I'll let it cool a bit before I start peeling them. Before I puree my blanched tomatoes, I'll keep this big pot of water for boiling. Now all our ingredients are ready, let's start making the sauce. I'll start by taking lots of olive oil. Remember, good quality olive oil. And now I'll add in the onion and the garlic. And I'll let it cook for at least 10 minutes or until the onion is soft and tender and melts in the mouth. On the other side, the water is boiling hot and I'll add in the pasta. You can choose any pasta of your choice. I have fusilli, you can use spaghetti or penne. But before that, I will season the water with some salt. I'll give it a stir. And I'll add in the pasta. To avoid the pasta from sticking, I'll stir it continuously. My onion and garlic look good, so now into this I'll add in our tomato puree. Now I'll season the sauce with some oregano or Italian seasoning. Now I let this cook completely until all the water from the tomatoes disappears and we have a thick and rich sauce. Time to check our pasta. The pasta is almost cooked and it's time to drain it. I'll sprinkle a few drops of olive oil and I'll toss it. Our pasta is ready. Our sauce is ready. I'll switch off the flame and it's time to serve. And I'll serve it with a garlic bread. Ta-da! Let's give it a try. This is by far the best Italian red sauce pasta I've ever had. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. And the recipe for the garlic bread is in the description below. Enjoy!